Welcome to Mersol 3.0. We're going to go over the billing system today. This is really going to cover how to put in a support ticket, the different ways you can do it, how to log into the billing system, and navigation around the billing system. Alright, so first let's go to the billing system. It's going to come up. We're going to log in. You use your email address. Alrighty, log in. Okay, now that I'm logged in, you can see our header. You can see this is your navigation, your dashboard, products, billing, support, accounts, downloads. You can see it says welcome, and then you can log out from here. This is just like a glance here. This is your dashboard, your latest announcements, see all announcements. This is outstanding invoices if you have any. This is see all your invoices here. These are all your most recent support tickets. Okay, to get to them really quick, you can also click here to see all your support tickets. If you wish to put in a new support ticket, you can simply put your cursor over this, click Submit New Ticket here, and you'll have to fill out a few fields depending on the type. If it's a data feed issue, you'll select data feed, meaning that there's an MLS number missing, some pictures missing, something like that. If it's a website issue, you'd select website, of course. If it's a feature request, you'd put it based on where you think it would fit. We might move it depending on where we're at on the features. If it's a bug for the front end or the back end of the site, you can select that, and billing issues, etc., etc. And then you just fill it in and submit it. You can also attach images by clicking here, attach an image. Okay. Another way that you can also submit a support ticket is through email. You can email support, SUPPORT, at mersol.com, and it will generate a support ticket for you. All we ask is that when we answer support tickets, that you reply back to that same ticket instead of just creating a new one. Because every time you email directly to support without being a reply, it will create a new service ticket thread. And we like one issue per thread. That way things don't get lost. A number of agents will actually go in and they will put in 3 or 4 issues in one thread, and the programmers will go and follow the thread down and fix things and stuff like that. And sometimes things will get lost because it's way up in the thread. So if you're going to put an issue in and you have multiple issues, try to put in one issue per thread. Okay? Billing. Most of our billing is set up to be, we'll send out invoices 7 days before the first of the month. Your invoice is due the first of the month. It's late on the 15th. And that pays for that month coming up. So if you have your billing set up without credit card on file, it will send you an invoice out 7 days before the first to give you time to pay it. If you have a credit card on file, so you want to be auto-billed, then the system will automatically run that on the first of the month, and you'll get a copy of the invoice. If you're doing taxes and you want to check your invoices, you can always put your cursor over billing. Go to invoices, and it will show your invoices here. And these are recurring charges here. It tells you what your recurring charges are. And there's also a section for products. And this is your packages. If you have one website with us, 2 websites with us, etc., etc. Okay, this site here has 1 active, 1 suspended. So I can look here and look at the product that it has, and its information. It says grayed out. The product add-ons, what the billing is for it. It's reoccurring, etc., etc. Okay, you can actually change the list here. So I can go to the next one. Look here, do the same thing. That's how that works. If you have credit card on file and your credit card has expired, you can actually go to the billing, go to accounts, go to billing, and the system will automatically show you your information to change it. 1 second, and I'll show you that I'll change this account to a Quantum. And you can now see that it is paid by a credit card. And if you wish to, you can change your credit card number and update the date here. And this is where you put your card number in, and it will automatically figure out what type it is based on the number actually. So you can actually do that, or you can delete your credit card here if you wish to, and take it off file. Okay, that's the way to update your card. Also, make sure that when you update your card, you go to the profile here and make sure that your address and information here is all correct and matches the address that's used for that credit card, or else it won't work. If you wish to change your password, you can go here and change your password. If you wish to add any notes, you can add some notes here. You can also see any notes that we might have put in here to display for you. And this is alternative email accounts. If you have an assistant or someone else that you also wish to get notifications on support tickets, you can go here and add them as well. and check what boxes you want them to receive information on. Okay, if you have any questions and we're online, you can actually click in this box here, and it will send us a message. If we're offline, of course, it'll email it to us, but usually we're online. And that's pretty much the basics, as you can see, to what's going on. That's it. Thank you.